Hello, thank you for watching Youth Build Boyle Heights news. My name is Raul.
And my name is Ron Bergen.
And this is the Elephant Report. Our program is dedicated to bringing you up-to-date news that affects students, teachers, and parents in Boyle Heights. Today, the newscast will be reporting on Republican Party's economic platforms and how it affects the community here in East Los Angeles. According to About.com, the Republicans want to end Obamacare. It's a nickname for Parent Protection and Affordable Care Act. By ending Obamacare, companies might be able to deny certain people and care for their pre-existing conditions. This will affect people in Boyle Heights because if you don't have health care before you get sick, you will get denied, and you will have to pay on your own to get help. So now we're going to pass it down to Sammy Carrera to tell you more about the Obamacare.
So according to About.com, one of Romney's actions for his first day in the office is to order all agencies to eliminate Obamacare and all other regulations that inhibit job creation, and then cap annual increases of regulatory costs at zero. What this means is that all agencies have to end Obamacare and regulations that interfere with job creation. This can affect the health and well-being of Boyle Heights residents because the working class people are more vulnerable to exploitation. About.com says that the Republicans want to reduce the corporate tax rate from 35% to 25%, making it easier for them to establish their power and wealth. This means the economic inequity gap between the 1% and the 99% of the Boyle Heights community will be further enlarged.
And that's our report, and this is Ron Bergen, signing out.